Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem Roblox codes, right? So of course it is very easy. You can just follow the exact instruction over your phone, whether it's iPhone or Android, as you can see here, right? So first of all, you have to log in into your Roblox ID here. And yeah, you don't have to open your game, it's just a normal ID. You can just go to your Google and you can just open it up. Once you have logged in, right, you have to just scroll to the bottom, and of course you have to go to the bottom, and here in the bottom you'll find this option of gift card, and let it open. It will redirect to your new tab and you will able to see here. Then on the top right you will see this option of redeem card. No need to change location or something else, just click on redeem card here, and here you will able to see the code, right? So you have to just type whatever the code you have got, right? For example, it's Spider-Man, or it's just an example, but of course you will have a code in a random words or numbers, and once you enter the code, make sure you just click on this and click on redeem, right? And once you click on redeem, you will able to receive that Roblox or Robux over your account here, right? So this is how you can do it, and this is the easiest way to do, and you can just follow the exact same instruction over your phone, iOS or Android, and this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.